To set up a fingerprint unlock on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then look for security and privacy. Scroll down and look for device unlock. Now, if you want to set up your fingerprint unlock, first you will need to set up a screen lock. I've already done it. You just need to select your specified screen lock options like a pattern pin or a password, and then we can move and click on face and fingerprint unlock. We need to give our password, then look for fingerprint, click on more. I agree. And then we can set up our fingerprint by just slamming our finger from different directions onto the fingerprint scanner, which is located right here. It should go like this, and then you just need to tap your finger onto it until the setup is finished. Let me zoom out a bit so we can see. Just follow my steps as I'm trying to basically scan my entire finger from all of the different directions. And now it's done. We can click on done. Now when we lock our device, we can use our finger to unlock it, just like that.